What's going on, everybody? This is Urban J Reviews, and today we're going to talk about side hustles, ways to make money online here in the gig economy. There's going to be a couple apps here, actually a lot of apps, and I'm going to show you guys all of them that I've found that you guys can use, start making money basically today online by doing things in the gig economy. So let's go ahead and dive in and take a look. And if you're excited about this video, crush up the likes and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Urban J Reviews. Often dive in with Urban J Reviews here. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, you can, and turn on the bell to get notified when we put out new videos just like this one. So YouTube, you can actually make money on YouTube doing affiliate marketing. You can make ad revenue once you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. It does take a little bit of work, but once you get there, you can make a pretty good amount of money, as a residual income just on the content that you create. So let's go ahead and dive in here and take a look at some of these ways you can also make money online. So the first one is Urban Sitter. Get paid to babysit. If you like to babysit, you can basically go on this app and find virtual babysitters, or you can apply for jobs and find sitters. It doesn't matter, whatever your use is for Urban Sitter, but it's a place for babysitters, people to watch kids, and you can see a network of background check sitters and nannies nearby. Okay, so the next one you guys are also going to be excited about is called Turo. So Turo is a marketplace for car sharing. So basically you can rent your car on Turo and get paid for it. So if your car is just sitting in your garage or sitting in your front yard and you're not really using it, rent it out, make some money. You can also book cars on here, but you can see they have the free cancellation insurance options included, 24/7 customer support, so that's pretty good too, right? Next one, Amazon Flex. Look at this, you can make up to $18 to $25 an hour delivering packages for Amazon. So that's called Amazon Flex if you want to do that. A lot of these links, guys, will be in the description below. So if you guys are looking to sign up for these, just go into the description. There should be a link to all of these to be able to sign up. Another one is FOAP. So if you're already taking pictures, you can take pictures of products and upload them to FOAP. And if the brand who created that product actually likes your picture, they'll pay you. Sometimes up to $10. You get 50% commission, I believe. So that's about 50-50 split between you and the app who created it, FOAP. So if you just, let's say you're drinking Coca-Cola on the beach and you think that's a pretty good shot, take a picture of it and upload it to FOAP and see if you can make money. If you're going to do anything, do a multitude of different things. You can have FOAP bringing you a little bit of income, YouTube bringing you a little bit of income, Amazon bringing you a little bit of income, just depends on what you're looking for. So if you're also into doing things gig economy style, go to Fiverr. Fiverr is a perfect place for freelancers to make money doing things online, whether it be voiceover or creating websites or making logos. Check out Fiverr. It originally got its name because everything was $5, but now they actually do a lot more than just $5. You can pay up to $100 for a gig, but it's pretty good. And I know people who've made a nice bit of money doing Fiverr as a freelance, online digital person. Another thing that everyone knows about is Uber. I'm not going to spend too much time on Uber. If you are looking to get into gig economy and you don't know about Uber, then well, get started, because Uber is, basically a way to drive people around like a taxi cab, right? And the other one is going to be Lyft. Lyft is just another one like Uber, exact same kind of thing, just a different company. If you don't get accepted by one, try the other, right? If you get booted off the other, try another. Another one that people actually make money on is OfferUp. So they do these things where they go to thrift stores, they buy something on the thrift store and then turn around and flip it on OfferUp or something like Facebook Marketplace. You guys don't need too much explanation on this, but people do this stuff on OfferUp. You guys can get the idea. Do a little bit of research if you want to do that. Another one that's really popular is this thing called TaskRabbit. So help people around the home at your fingertips. You don't always have to do DIY. You can hire people to do assemble a desk for you. You can hire them to mount a TV for you. You can do this for people, mount a TV or mirror. So if you are a handyman, you may want to try out this TaskRabbit. There's other things on here that TaskRabbit is looking for, like planting flowers, lifting furniture, moving, stuff like this. Partnered with IKEA, 1.1 million reviews. So TaskRabbit is becoming pretty popular, actually. Another one that's really popular is this Instacart, where someone orders, say, from Sprouts or Bash's or Total Wine, Costco, Albertsons, Petco, and then you basically deliver it to their front door, just like the other app that we have. This is in the grocery industry. This is going to be in the food industry. So if someone wants to order from Panda Express, but they're too lazy to go out like me. I might be too lazy to go to Panda Express. It might be late at night, or I might have had a couple drinks, and I don't mind paying the fee and the tip to have someone deliver it. Hey, Panda Express, Del Taco, at my door in 45 minutes to an hour, depending. But you can be a driver for this and make people's lives easier. There's other ones like Postmates, does the exact same kind of thing, but they also even deliver alcohol. I mean, there's just a variety of different things. See, we deliver more than dinner. They do all these different things, medicine, dog supplies. So Postmates, you may like that one also. If you're into walking dogs, or pets actually, you have Rover. Become a pet sitter, be a dog walker, stuff like this. Doggy daycare, drop-in visits. You can make money as an animal care person, right? There's another one called WAG that you may like. Book a walk. You could drop in boarding, sitting, training. This is a great one for people who don't mind, walking other people's dogs and they enjoy the company of the animals. Another one that's kind of popular here right now is going to be this Fat Llama. So you can rent almost anything on Fat Llama. You can rent cameras, DJ equipment, drones, electronics, lenses. So if you've got a bunch of stuff just sitting around the house, not really doing too much to you, try this Fat Llama and try and rent it out. I mean, these are things you guys can be doing. Like I said, it could be $10 here, $20 here, $30 there, $150 there, $2,000 there. It doesn't matter, but this is things in the gig economy, okay? You also have eBay. I know people who do the exact same thing they do on OfferUp, but they do it on eBay where they go to their thrift store. But the difference between OfferUp and eBay is you have access to the global market. So you can buy a camera from the thrift store in, I don't know, Casa Grande, Arizona, and then sell it to someone in Germany for $500. I mean, this is not guaranteed, but people do this. They become a seller on eBay and they make that kind of money. Another one that's kind of popular is this Poshmark, buying and selling used clothes. I mean, you've got all these things. If you want to be like a thrift store online, but you don't have the access to the website, try Poshmark. Some people like it. Some people don't know what to make of it. Another one that's really popular is Coinbase. So Coinbase, you can actually earn crypto while learning about cryptocurrency. So you can take this course, say for Orchid, earn $52 in cryptocurrency. If you don't want to pay for cryptocurrency, but you want to get into cryptocurrency, they're actually paying you to learn about cryptocurrency. And you can make, what do they say, up to $158. There's going to be a link to this one in the description. And also you can make money by referring Coinbase to other people and get paid for that. So Coinbase is, they call it the future of money, digital currency. People like this, earning money with cryptocurrency. Another one that people like is Robinhood. Now, bear in mind when you're dealing with any sort of finance, there could be some risk involved if you do start investing, and you have to accept that risk. And I'm not a personal financial advisor, but when you do get into cryptocurrency or you do get into stocks, you could win, you could lose, but you just have to accept that, either way. But you can refer people to Robinhood and get paid in stocks. So if someone joins Robinhood, you can get a stock. I've personally gotten stocks like Ford. I've gotten different types of stocks, and there's actually a link below where if you click on that, I believe I get a stock, and I'm not so sure, but I think you also get a stock out of the deal for just signing up with Robinhood. And then, you can do that and refer it to other people however way you want, your friends, your neighbors, whatever. But again, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor and there is risk involved in investing. So just do your own due diligence. This Ibotta. So people like this Ibotta because you can earn money doing various different shopping, find offers. You can shop, earn, whatever you like to do. But people like this Ibotta. Check it out, how it works. You can learn how to do in-store shopping, online shopping. Go in here. Earn cash back when you shop online, whether you prefer to do online shopping from your phone or your computer. Ibotta's got you covered with cash back at over 150 retailers. So you can check this out. Again, link is going to be in the description to sign up to Ibotta. Another one that people like is this Amazon Associates. You can market products from Amazon on your website or on your Facebook channel. And you can earn up to 10% in advertising fees. People like this because it's an opportunity to also make money. But Amazon has platforms in place where you can earn money using Amazon if you're a affiliate marketer or whatnot. Another one that people use to make money online is going to be Airbnb. This is if you have an extra room at your house and you want to rent it out on a short term, you can do Airbnb, rent it out. And you guys already know how Airbnb works. It's basically air, bed, and breakfast, right? That was the name of it. And it's basically couch surfing, but with a bed, where if someone's in town, they don't want to pay the price for a hotel, so they'll book on Airbnb. Another one, if you feel like you have information to teach people, you can actually use Udemy. Udemy is a way to teach courses, whether you're a cook, whether you know how to clean things, or whatever. You can see some people have an entire MBA in one course, award-winning business school professor, complete SQL. This is kind of like the new way to learn online. And you don't necessarily need to go to college and pay thousands of dollars per semester just to go, because you can learn the complete financial analyst course, or you can teach it. Look at this person selling it for $14.99, a whole lot cheaper than college. And in fact, nowadays colleges are having to do online school anyway, so why not just pay way less money and go to Udemy and follow the curriculum of someone who's got more genuine intentions about it. Sometimes these teachers can actually be better than the regular teachers. Now, I've learned a lot online just by watching YouTube videos and things like Udemy and other master courses. So this is something you can do to actually pay it forward or to participate and learn from. So another one that someone likes, and they did mention, is app trailers. I believe this only is on Google Play, but you can see preview video trailers of apps, celebrity gossip, DIY videos, and get points that you can redeem with PayPal, Cash, Amazon gift codes, and many other with app trailers. Watch the hottest high quality streaming videos in apps play, and you can even get paid, I believe, in to watch these videos. So do read the reviews. There are some people on here who have not left such favorable reviews, but you know how it goes. And so another one that I wanted to talk about is from Harvard Review. This is just thriving in the gig economy, how to be successful. They're talking about produce or perish. So they're saying that's the things you need to know, but the 4 connections are the place, being in the right place, disconnected from the corporate office. The people we interviewed find places to work that protect them from outside distractions and pressures and help them avoid feeling rootless. So routines, you've got to get into a routine with this stuff, having a purpose. For most people in our study, striking out in their own initially involved, doing whatever work would allow them to find a footing in the market. And another thing is humans are social creatures. Studies in corporate settings have long demonstrated how important the people are to our careers. So you want to be able to be around people also while you do this. So something like DoorDash, you're going to pick up at, say, McDonald's, you're going to talk to the staff there, you're going to talk to the person at the front door. If you're doing Uber, you're going to talk to the people in your car. You know, there's still a way to work for yourself, turn on the phone and work on your own schedule whenever you want, doing the gig economy and staying in touch with people, because that's extremely important. Thanks to everyone for watching this video and liking it. And then if you want to subscribe to Urban J Reviews because you like videos like this, please do. And we'll see you on the next one.